Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on dark mode on your account on Messenger. Easy and quick. First click on these three lines here. Now click on the settings icon here, and here you'll find dark mode. Click on it, and now click on here, and that's it. It will be turned on, and that's how to turn on dark mode on your account on Messenger. Easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.